This video was requested by Mr. After_Roblox. Shout out to you, bro. Next poll will be out soon. Stay tuned. Also, it's shout out time. Shout out to Darwin's Puppeteer.
And shout out to Maria the Penguin.
Shout out to you guys. You guys are so amazing and have awesome videos. Go check these two out. They're amazing and have really good hard-working videos they make. Go subscribe to their awesome channels. Also guys, I wanna give a little warning, and not for the censored version since that video doesn't need any warning at all since it's a good video all ages and nothing bad to worry. If you're a younger audience watching this original video and not the censored, please go to the censored version of this video right now, because this is the original version with scary, loud, and cussing. Please go to the censored version if you don't like cursing, violence and scary scenes. But anyways, for the people watching this version, there is a loud EAS tone in this, and please turn down your volume when you see this icon right here in the corner. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing off.
Man, I'm so bored. I feel like doing a prank or something, but what exactly? I know what to do. I'll make a fake EAS alert to the whole world and scare everyone. Ha 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 ha. But first, I have to go find the EAS headquarters. Perfect. Now that I found the EAS headquarters, let's sneak inside.
Alright everybody, it's lunchtime. You can have your 30-minute break.
Finally, here I got something to eat.
Coast is clear. Wow, so many choices to pick. These emergencies are really good, but I wish there was a good one. Wait, what does this button do? Wow, I can upload my own EAS alert. Wait, that reminds me. Good thing I brought this flash drive with my favorite type of an EAS alert. Zombies. Now let's put this in. Great, now let's upload a zombie EAS alert to activation. Sweet, now all we have to do is activate it to the button. Sweet, now let's rename the alert. Success, now the button should be ready. Finally, now, it's time to push the button to alert everybody for zombies. Ha 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 ha.
Hey guys, before I show this part, I wanna warn everyone again, if you're a younger audience and watching this version still, please leave this video and go to the censored version please. I am warning you right now. There is a scary loud tone right here. So please turn down your volume and leave this video to the censored version I made if you're a younger audience that doesn't like violence or scary. I'll put this warning right here to notify you when something is about to happen. Anyways, enjoy the video.
What a good commercial.
I agree.
Real life. New Aveeno Dar Splash Shine with active natural sweets.
Transmitted at the request of the United States government. Attacks by the undead have been reported in several states across the country. They include Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Ohio, and Texas. The dead are rising from their graves and are attacking the human race. At this time, it's expected that more attacks of this nature will occur in several other states in the next few hours. The intent behind the attack is unknown at this time. It has been observed that unlike the exchange of they crave the taste of human flesh. To protect yourself from potential effects, all residents of the United States are strongly encouraged to follow these instructions. Stay away from these creatures. Get inside a building with few doors and windows. Do not make eye contact with them. Doing this will incite attack. Seek shelter in a room above or below ground, preferably one that is blocked by several doors. Do not use any electrical devices, as this may attract them. Make sure that you take food and water with you to your place of refuge. It is not known whether this event will last for hours, days, or even longer. Stay calm, as authorities have been dispatched to deal with these creatures. An all-clear siren will be sounded when this situation is under control.
Quick, get the kids and food and supplies to the basement now. I'll go with my emergency here.
Okay, quick kids, go to the basement. They'll get supplies and food. Hurry.
Hey, who are you and how did you get in here?
Sorry I didn't hear what you said. I just made the most funniest prank ever.
Wait, what do you mean? Wait, oh my god. Kid, do you know what you just done? You caused so much panic to the whole world. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I don't care what I did. It was so funny.
That's it, I'm calling your parents.
Ha! You don't know me, my parents, or their phone number.
Oh really, little Bill? We do all know, in fact, know who you are. Now I'm calling your parents.
No 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 no.
Quick, make an administrative message to the whole world that this was a false alarm.
Sure thing.
Where's everybody?
There you're little Bill. Quick, let's go to the basement. Quick little Bill, go hide there with Bobby, April, and your mother while I'll go barricade the door. It's been real quiet now. I wonder what's going on now. It's an EAS message. Let's see what it is.
The following message is transmitted to the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear and false alert. There is no real zombies or a threat. I repeat, this is a false EAS alert that was announced to the whole world. All clear.
Guys, it was a false alarm. There's no zombies, but who would have made such a false EAS alert like that? This is Big Bill. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Russell, and I'm the leader of the EAS Headquarters, and I wanted to inform you that your son has made a fake EAS alert to the whole world causing so much panic. Can you please ground him?
He did what? Are you fucking serious? Thank you for telling me. I will take care of it.
What happened, dear?
Someone made a fake EAS alert causing so much panic to the whole world.
Who?
Little fucking Bill. Little Bill, tell me the fucking truth right now.
Okay, yes, I made a fake EAS alert as a prank. I'm so sorry.
Little Bill, how dare you make a fake EAS alert? What the fuck is wrong with you? You caused so much panic to the whole world and chaos. This is the most stupidest thing you ever done in the world. That's it. You're so grounded for 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 7, 8, 3, 9, 7, 3, 2, 2, 5, 4, 7, 6, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6 years. Go to your room now.